Do you love having your space smell amazing? Do you use these things, these plugins? I want to show you an option that you have to be able to switch those out and use something that is healthier, but still be able to plug it in the wall. And I have been using natural things probably for the past 15 years, and I did not grow up with natural stuff until I started to research and learn about fragrance. I just wanted to highlight a few things because I really want to compel you to start getting these things out of your home, out of your life. We're finding that the air quality in our homes is far more toxic than outside, where we're often worried about pollution, and we spend a majority of our time nowadays inside. So be careful and be aware. So air fresheners emit over 100 different chemicals, including volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. And these VOCs might be something like formaldehyde, benzene, toluene. There's something called ethyl benzene. And some of these are associated with different types of cancer in high doses. This comes from Poison Control. It says, despite their popularity, there are concerns that these products increase indoor air pollution and pose a health risk, especially with long-term exposure. So this isn't just the one time like, oh, I smelled some kind of chemical. I was standing behind my car and the exhaust came out, and like that was very infrequent, but we are putting these in our home and we're smelling them constantly. Some of these chemicals in air fresheners are sensitizers that can cause allergies. They also trigger asthma, wheezing, headaches, and contact dermatitis. And then sadly, most forms of air fresheners, or even the seemingly safer alternative of scented candles, that they're very toxic to humans, and even more so to animals. Think of those little bodies, and then think of our little kids or grandkids. What can we do to kind of get rid of these little hummers so that we're not exposed to that, doing something harmful, but we're able to have something that's helpful and healthy for us and help our spaces to smell great? That's one of the reasons why I use essential oils, is because they're helpful, not harmful. First of all, we have these cool diffusers now that you can just plug in. They're plug-in diffusers, and so you just attach this bottle right to it, so you can switch out the different smells. So maybe if you're going to bed and you want it to be calming, you can put in some lavender. If you want it to be more invigorating and wake up and feel great and your mood is just a pick-me-up, then citrus oils are amazing. So you can be able to switch those out. If you're not sure what essential oils to use for different types of mood or health challenges, maybe you need respiratory support, maybe you want to help get rid of pathogens that are in the air, maybe you're wanting to help with focus or brain cognitive function, maybe you experience low moods and you want that pick-me-up, something natural and fast to be able to use, that you can download my free essential oils guidebook. There are lists of different essential oils, what they're good for, so you can kind of figure out what's best for you. But these diffusers are great. They are censored too. So when you turn them on, it will pump up some oil, but then when you come in back into the room, then it will just pump out some more oil. So it's not constantly diffusing, so you're not using oils when you're not in there breathing them. I love these in the bathroom, or I love to put them in places where there's maybe some high traffic in our kitchen. I love this one. It's called Shinrin Yoku. It's Japanese forest bathing. It smells like you are out in the forest and you're breathing in all those beautiful natural chemicals that are coming from the plants that help to calm us and help us to feel better. I will put these diffusers down. There's only one way that you can actually get these ones, and they come in a kit with 2, and then there's 4 different essential oils. This one actually came with Shinrin Yoku. It came with one called Northern Escape, so you're feeling like you're outside in the Northern Escape, and eucalyptus and lavender. And then there's another kit that's more citrusy and minty as well. Or look for, I think you probably can find some wall plug-in diffusers like this on Amazon. I will link that down in the description, but you want to make sure that you get quality essential oils to attach to them. And what's really cool about diffusers that the bottle actually attaches to it is that when it sprays it out, that full essential oil with all of the hundreds of different chemical constituents that come in just that one little drop of oil, they all come out at the same time. It's called the atomizing diffuser. These wall plugins, they will just shoot it all out. But this is a great way to ditch and switch so that you are bringing things in that are healthy and helpful for you instead of toxic and harmful for you.